Tonight, Florida doctors are cautiously optimistic about this year's flu season.
But the idea of these two things happening with the pandemic at the same time, a little bit like, ugh. So doctors are still warning you, please take precautions and take the precautions seriously.
That's right. Fox 4's investigative reporter Katie LaGrone reveals what you and your family need to know right now.
It's flu season.
I try to get everyone to get their flu shots every year.
Have you gotten a flu shot this year?
I haven't yet.
Add in an ongoing global health crisis.
I'm curious how the COVID is going to be during the flu season.
Actually, we're all wondering how the coronavirus will impact flu season this year.
You don't predict flu seasons other than saying there will be a flu season.
It's a great question, and it is something that we are talking a lot about in the hospital.
We sought answers from 2 Florida MDs and medical academics.
I think it's all about not letting our guard down.
Dr. Marissa Levine is a public health expert and professor at the University of South Florida.
In Florida, we actually see flu all year round.
Dr. Nicole Iovine is an associate professor and chief epidemiologist at the University of Florida Shands Hospital. Both are cautiously optimistic this year's flu season could be one for the record books.
Could we be looking at a historically low flu season, specifically here in Florida?
We could. I'd hate to predict and say definitively that's going to happen, but we have the potential.
It all depends on human behavior, right? Which is the big black box.
These doctors say less travel, more masks, and social distancing to ward off COVID-19 will likely also lower your risk of the flu. But more telling, what just happened during peak flu season on the other side of the world.
Places like Australia had really maybe not just a mild, but an absent flu season.
Still, these Florida doctors say we all have reason to remain concerned.
There's no reason why COVID and influenza couldn't infect the same person at the same time. And I can tell you that is not going to be a good situation.
Last year, the flu killed just under 3,000 people in Florida. This year, COVID-19 has already taken the lives of more than 15,000 in the state.
It is extremely worrisome. This is really unprecedented times. So we're very, very concerned about the combination of flu and coronavirus.
That's why doctors say the best way to protect yourself is to wear your mask, keep your distance, and for the flu, make sure to get your flu shot. Katie LaGrone, back to you.